Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Scholar Tech Studio. Let's start another lecture on MSC Adams View. In this lecture, we will discuss the option Model Browser in MSC Adams View. So in the MSC Adams View user interface, from the left side you can see this window. This window is called Model Browser of MSC Adams View. So there are three different options are available. That first one is browse, second one is group, and the third one is filter. So we will discuss all these one by one. The first thing is how can we move this model browser from left to right, or we can place at any specific place. If we will bring our cursor at the top here, okay, and if we will double click on it, now you can see that now it's free, so we can put it anywhere where we want. But if we want to place at the right side, then we have to drag this and place it here. See, now it's become the part of the window and now it's fixed at this place. But if we want to move it again, so first we have to double click here and then we have to drag this one here. So it's up to you. You want to place this at left side or you want to place at the right side, so you can do this way. Okay, so the next thing that we can do, if let's suppose we have a model and model have different parts, so we can access different parts of the model. It may be a complicated model, it's consisted more than 100 or 20 or any number of parts, so we can access these parts from here. And in our previous video we discussed about the option available. If we right click on it, then we have already discussed these options, that how can we change the material, how can we change the appearance of the model. Okay, so if we right click on it, so here we can see that we find different options. The first one is expand all. So here are basically 9 main folders. So if we want to expand all these folders, then if we click here, then here you can see that all the folders are unfold, so we can see what is present inside the folder. We will discuss, like if we create our 3D body, so this will be under this option, and here are the connection when we will establish different joints between the different parts of modeling, then they will shown here. And if we assign the motion, then it will be shown here. And if we will apply some type of forces, then they will be under this folder. So we will discuss all these later. So the main purpose of this is just to use these expand, and if we will click on collapse, then it will collapse all the folders. So, and we can also refresh from here. Okay, so these are some options available in model browser. Okay, so the next option is groups. So in groups, what we can do, we can create different groups of elements. Like if I click here, right click on it, then here you can see that the first option is create new group, the second one is sort group. Similarly, we can see the different entities that we will select that will be a part of this group. If I click on the new, so group create window will pop up. So first we can see that the group name, so this is the group name, you can assign any name to this group. And second, you can write some comments that are related to this group. The third one is objects that you want to add in this group. So if we right click in this box and then go to all and then go to guess, so here you can see that all the elements or different forces or different position vectors or position we can say references are available here. So we can select, let's suppose I want to select box 2 and then right click on it and then go to select the force is gravity. Okay, and then we will apply. Okay, so now we have create our group 1 and we can similarly can create another group. So if we open this, so here we can see that we have different groups. So we can use this option if our model is very complicated and we want to make some important like parameter, design parameter or some forces, so we can create different groups. And so by creating these groups we can easily access different like different parts or different variables. Okay, so if we want to delete this group, so we can right click on it and then go to delete. So in this way you can create a new group and you can delete a groups. The last option is filter. If we select this one, okay, and then right click on it and then go to new filter. So here you can put the name of the filter and set add filter. So here under this filter you can say that there are two parts. So from here we can like access different so this is our filter one. So here we can see that modeling. So under the modeling these options are available, and if we go to the constraints, so there is no constraint in this model, and here is all the variables, so there is no variable is defined yet. And markers, so these are different markers. Okay, so we can use this filter also to get the access to a specific element of our model. So we can use this modeling data browser in MSC Adams View, and this if we know all the application of this model browser, so it will help us in our future modeling database. So it's all about this model browser. If you have any question related to this video, so you can type your comments, then I will respond there. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my upcoming videos. Thank you.